let's get started right away. I wanted to try I wanted to try these exercises from Exercism. It's a website I found with a list of exercises you can do. And that's it. I've already set up like most of the things on my computer. I'm gonna try like the basic Hello World exercise. So let's get right in. So I got the Xcode here. Let's see. So it's just the Hello World basic exercise. We want to print Hello World. Objectives are simple. We write a function that takes a name, say Alice, for example, returns the string with a given name. In this case, it will say hello Alice. But if no name is passed in, then the function returns the string hello world. The function should be named hello. So we got a test suite that has been already coded for us. We can see it here probably, in tests. We have a Linux main.swift that's gonna run the tests, I'm guessing. And here are the tests. We can see they do not compile because of course we haven't coded anything. It seems like the sources are gonna be here in this Swift file. It seems like the hello world imported here has the same name as the file, so we're gonna start here. We're just gonna define a function. I looked it up earlier on, so to define a function in Swift, you guys have to go func. The name of the function must be hello. And here we're gonna, so we have to define the return. Return is gonna be a string. And I'm guessing that, yes, if you want to return here, we could return that. Then what we want is, if we go back to the README, we can pass hello. So in the case we don't have any parameters, we say hello world. So we're gonna copy here, go hello world, like this. In case we have a parameter, we're gonna probably say it's gonna be a name. It's gonna be a string too, I'm guessing. And we gotta make it like this name can be or can also not be passed. So what I've learned from other languages is that you can make parameters optional. I don't know how you do that in Swift. Probably, I think maybe an interrogation mark, question mark. We're gonna have to see like if name is different of nil, then we're gonna have to return hello the name. Now, how do you interpolate the name? I don't know, we'll see. Or else we're gonna have to return here the hello world, right? We don't even need the else, because if we go inside the if, then of course we're gonna be able to go here without the else. It makes it way easier to learn to read. So now we have a name that is defined and we want to put it in the string. So I'm guessing that we could do something like plus name dot get here. I don't even know the Xcode shortcuts, but here you can do something. We can count. Maybe if it's defined, we can just go here dot name plus name and return the thing. But we also want, of course, the exclamation mark. Now, just to see what the does it compile by itself? No, I have to compile myself, right? How do you compile it? Now we've learned that. We go back to here. We have a string, so that's great. Does it color it some other way? Perfect. It definitely does. And now it's way more readable. So we have a / name. Now let's go back to our, let's save. And now let's go back to our main problem. compile. String interpolation produces a debug descriptions for an optional value. Did you? Maybe you want like is empty true? You want me to write it like that? All right, maybe it wanted me to be more explicit. Yes. So this one method compiles. Now missing argument label name in call. Oh. So here we name it name. But here they didn't name the thing. Right? I'm guessing like you have to name the thing like that if you want it to work. Let's see if it compiles. No, missing argument. Maybe if I put a default value, but then I lose the... Because if I do that, right? It's gonna compile. No, we still haven't solved this one. Alright, but the tests... Oh, even that you're not happy? Anyway, first let's start with this. This makes it compile, right? What? Now you're happy, are you? Now it builds. Oh, let's try this again. Yes, here, unwrap the thing. Just to be sure, here the build succeeded. So we needed like something. We needed but the build succeeded, but there was a warning, right? No warning? Can we run the thing? Now, how do we run the tests? Can I go Swift tests? To run the tests. So it was the way to do it. Now I am definitely satisfied. I mean, come on, 2 lines of code, 3 with the function name, but we learned a lot. What I wanted to do. So what was the other thing in the README? Generate Xcode project. That's what I needed to do. We quit this, and now we have our code. Perfect. And now we can run this. Build succeeded. How do we run the tests? Like this? Amazing. Where does it say it succeed? Oh, here. Perfect. My first Hello World in Swift in 40 minutes, so hopefully we won't take as much time next on the next exercises. But yes, here we are. We continue. Before we submit, I feel like we can do something better. Because if it works, it goes here. We don't have to force unwrap anything. The value exists. Or else it goes here, right? My question is, if I have 5 optionals and I want the 5 values, what do I have to do? I have to do the thing, right? We have to do the commas. If I have a name 2 string dot interrogation question mark, I don't care, and those constants name 2 equals name 2, and this way I've got both. No, not even. Maybe I should like put a let here. Yes. So this is the way to go. Again, one last time. Let's go here on the tests. Let's run the tests. Build succeeded. Test succeeded. Perfect. Let's submit. This I am happier with. Of course, of course. Oh my god. Yeah, I was thinking about stuff too many. I was thinking too far away. Alright, so yeah. You set by default the world value, so when you call the hello, then you can go here. Or else you return the name, and in our case, it was the string. Alright, my bad, I went way too far. But we did learn a lot of things, which is great. Probably, hopefully later on we'll do like full-fledged iOS applications. But yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for joining me, and see you soon.